with Evelyn and Finn, and we are going to try out the Let's Craft Sculpture Science Kit. Are you two ready?
Yes!
Let's do it.
Geometry is the study of shapes in space. You can make so many shapes with just toothpicks and dough. The toothpicks represent the edges of the shape, and each ball of dough represents a vertex.
We're going to start off by making some 2D shapes. Let's try to make a triangle.
Here.
Now we're going to try to make our triangle 3D, and we're going to turn it into a triangle pyramid. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Good. I need another. How did you do that? I did it! I made a crystal.
What shape did you make?
A square pyramid.
Good job. What shape did you two make?
A square. A dam. Not a sphere, a square. Yeah. A sphere, a square. Yeah. No, a square. She didn't say right. She said a gear and I said square. Yeah. No, a square. A gale. You're not listening. That's my cue.
It's falling.
Why it's falling?
What happened?
I fall, I did fall.
Why is it falling?
I don't know.
Slide it.
I made it.
What shape did you make?
A cube. A cube. Who said that?
All right, Evelyn. Right now, we are going to make a ladder circuit.
Yes.
For this, we'll need 2 pieces of dough, in which you already laid out, 2 LED lights and the battery pack. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Evelyn, look closely at your LED. There's going to be a leg that's longer. That's the positive side. And the shorter leg is the negative side. Do you see the difference? All right, Evelyn, we are going to put the positive side, that's the long leg, into the red dough, and the negative side, that's the short leg, into the yellow dough. Okay? Good job, Evelyn. Make sure our dough is not touching. So just make sure there's a gap there, okay? All right, Evelyn, looking at your battery pack, there's 2 wires coming out of it. A red wire, which is your positive wire, and the black wire, which is your negative. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the red wire into the red salt dough and the black wire into the yellow. Do you know what you made? You just made a circuit.
That is so cool.
That is pretty cool. Just a quick tip. Make sure when you're creating your circuit that the 2 colors of dough do not touch. This will create a short circuit and the LED lights won't light up. Electrons always take the fastest route. So when you place your dough together, instead of going up to the LED light and back into the other dough, it will just go through the dough. Therefore, your LED light won't light up. Just another quick tip. If the LED light does not turn on, flip the LED light or flip the position of the wires. If using more than one LED, make sure all the short legs are on the same side. A conductor is a material that allows electricity to flow through it, just like the salt dough. That's the red and yellow salt dough that we used. An insulator is a material that stops electricity from flowing, just like the modeling clay. That's the white clay in the middle. So now, if you turn on the switch, it's still gonna light up, even though all the dough is touching.
The dough it sets. It turns off.
Evelyn, now we're gonna make a long circuit. So we're gonna make 2 L shapes with our dough, in which we've already done, and you're gonna put the LED lights. So the long leg goes in the red, and the short leg goes in the yellow. Electricity is a form of energy. Electricity is the flow of charged particles around a path, or a circuit. Now we have to connect our wires. The red wire is going to go to the positive side, so that's the red. And the negative wire is going to go to the yellow.
Come on, go.
We have to turn on our battery pack. Electricity flows in a loop, carrying energy from the battery or power supply to things like lights and motors, and then back to the battery. When there is an unbroken path, it is called a complete circuit, like this one here. If the circuit is not complete, then the bulb can't light up. At first, if you don't succeed, just try again. I'll be honest, this experiment did not go as planned the first time around. The stickers that were provided weren't that sticky, and the straws were much too close together. That being said, our first few attempts didn't really work. That didn't stop us from trying again. We ended up using different tape, and we made sure the straws were spaced a little bit more this time. Flick softly or with low energy, and you'll see long waves. Flick harder or with high energy, and you'll see short waves. Light is part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Just a small portion of the full spectrum is actually visible light, but it includes all the colors that we can see. There are other types of this energy that also move in waves that you cannot see, such as X-rays, microwaves, radio waves, and gamma rays. The longer the wave is, the less energy it has. Radio waves have low energy and are really long. They can even be the size of a tall building. The shorter the wave is, the greater the energy it will have. Gamma rays are smaller than an atom. They have lots of energy. Sound is an energy made by vibrations. A vibration means moving quickly up and down or side to side. When any object vibrates, it causes particles in the air to move and bump into each other. This movement of the air particles is called sound waves. When the sound waves hit your eardrum inside your ear, you hear the sound. When vibrations are fast, you hear high-pitched noises, like a whistle. When vibrations are slow, you hear low-pitched noises, like a bullfrog croaking. Light is an energy that travels in waves. Sunlight is called white light, but it actually contains all the colors. When a light shines through a prism, it separates into all the colors of the rainbow. The colors always appear in the same order because they are arranged by their wavelength. Red is the longest, and violet is the shortest. When you see a color, the object is actually absorbing or taking in every wave of light except the color that you see. That color bounces back to your eye. We hope you enjoyed watching, and we hope you learned a thing or two. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.